Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a productivity app that's been around for a while, but still packs a punch. Remember the Milk. Whether you're juggling work errands or your personal goals, this app promises to keep your life organized and stress-free. But does it deliver? Let's find out. What is Remember the Milk? At its core, Remember the Milk is a task management app. Think of it as your personal assistant that never forgets. It's available on multiple platforms: iOS, Android, desktop, and even integrates with services like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Slack. The key features are: number one, Smart List. These are customized lists based on specific filters you set. For example, you can create a list for tasks due this week or ones tagged urgent. It's a lifesaver for staying on top of priorities. Number two, Reminders everywhere. The app can nudge you with reminders via email, push notifications, and even Twitter, so there's no excuse for forgetting. Number three, Collaboration. You can share tasks and lists with family, friends, or colleagues. Planning a group project or a family vacation, this feature makes it seamless. Number four, Natural language input. Adding tasks feel intuitive. Just type something like buy groceries tomorrow at 5 p.m. and it will auto schedule everything. Design and usability. The interface is clean, minimalist, and easy to navigate. Customization options let you tweak themes and organize tasks in a way that works best for you. And what I loved, the cross platform sync is flawless. Whether I'm on my phone or laptop, my tasks are always up to date, and the integration with other tools like Google Calendar adds so much value. What could be better? The free version is great but somewhat limited. Features like subtasks and advanced filters are locked behind the Pro version, which costs $39.99 a year. It's not outrageous, but it's worth considering. If you're looking for a reliable task manager with robust features and great integration, Remember the Milk is definitely worth checking out. Whether you stick to the free version or upgrade to Pro, it's a solid choice for staying organized. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.